What kind of channel is it?
Just random shit. Talking, eating.
Eating?
Yeah.
Is it something that should be on like X and XX or?
Eating.
Will I find you? Will I find you in the? Shit, what's that called? It's the fucking.
Porn site? No.
No. Well, yeah.
Oh, you're talking about in the missed encounters?
Yeah, the Craigslist misconnections.
Oh, you know that stuff like they kind of like banned most of it, right?
Yeah. Which is bullshit. I think it's so funny.
Well, what if I wanted to find the girl who farted in Walmart?
Yeah, but it was
Who fucking farted?
Alright, hi guys. This is a little more unprofessional than what we're used to doing. I decided to do this more kind of just on the fly, kind of like a little vlog. I promised I would do it, so I wanted to go ahead and just talk about the new exhaust that we put on the R9T. I'm starting to finally get some parts in for it. So I decided to go with the ProRace GP-S1. It's, I mean, really, as you can see, just getting rid of this 20-pound can. You guys fucked me up.
we didn't do anything.
Your presence.
We both.
Getting rid of this 20-pound can. I mean, it really hasn't done too much for performance. Obviously, it's not really meant to, but it definitely saves some weight, which it's noticeable. Hopefully, I can get some riding footage at some point in time today. But yeah, I mean, for 135 bucks, which actually, come on out, I'll show it to you guys. I wanted to lighten up the bike a little bit by about 20 pounds or so. Made a big difference. More or less just the sound. Sounds a little like a Harley, honestly. I forgot my key. I'll get the key in a second. But anyway, so as far as everything's concerned, it was actually incredibly easy to swap out. It was 3 bolts. Bolts up here holding the hanger, which now I can get rid of these and not feel bad about myself. It was just 2 bolts back there, one holding on the cat to the butterfly valve, and the rest of it holding on to the muffler. So 3 bolts, 5 minutes, real nice, real easy. In fact, if you want to get in real close here, you can see it's actually pretty well put together. I mean, the welds are actually really well done. It's for something, you know, come from a shop in Britain. Even the branding on it. I mean, the little small detail. It says BMW right above GP-S1, which I thought that was really cool because I wasn't expecting that level of attention to detail. But yeah, the really big thing for me is now it exposed the single-sided swing arm, so you can actually see everything. Which, in my opinion, you know, outside of the pancake twin over here, the single-sided swing arm was really the centerpiece of the bike. You have to ignore it. It's really dirty. We've actually been doing a lot of riding today. You didn't see because I got the Honda squad out here today. But we don't know who the Harley guy is. But yeah, I mean, everything's said and done. I'm going to get some riding footage for you guys, hopefully, when we go back out. But yeah, here, give you a little bit of a sound clip. Definitely woke it up from what it was before. I mean, I don't have any complaints for a $135 exhaust. Yeah, I highly recommend it. They make other ones too. I think it was like the RC. I'll look it up, put it in the description. But they made some more that were more tame. Some more that actually they had a few that came up actually on the side. Some with a little bit undertail. I mean, yeah, for what you spend, you really get really good quality out of it. So definitely the ProRace GP-S1. If you have a BMW R9T that you want to wake up a little bit, definitely check them out. I'm going to put a link in the description in case you want to check it out for yourself. But yeah, with all that said and done, let's go ahead and do some riding, and I can actually show you what it sounds like under some load. So what'd you think?
Handlebars just a little bit wider than I'm used to. Shifting was seamless.
What about the exhaust?
Exhaust you can definitely hear. You can definitely hear the exhaust as you're going down. Responsive. The only thing is I'm used to quick shifting. Like boom, go.
Oh yeah, that one's good.
Yeah. This